Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I am super excited to show you that there is a gluten-free Italian wedding soup. I try to eat gluten-free where I can, and sometimes it's hard to find some of your favorites that you're looking for. So I like to keep soup in my pantry because I always just crave it, especially in the winter time. I just want to eat soup all the time. So I love that this is a gluten-free option, and it is also really delicious. So it has the little gluten-free pasta, little meatballs and carrots, and it's really delicious. So the broth tastes really, really nice. And the other great thing about it is that it is ready to go. All you need to do is heat it up, and that is it. So I love to have something like this in the pantry for days when I am not up to cooking or I just do not have time. This is a very quick and tasty meal option, and that is my point of view.